In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable app notifications on Android. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your Android phone. You can even swipe down from the top and then tap on gear icon to open settings. Now on the settings page, tap on notifications. On notifications page, tap on more option and you will find all the apps that has sent you notification recently. If you want to see all the apps that are enabled for notification, then just tap on most recent drop down and from here tap all. Here you will find all the applications installed on your Android phone. Just scroll down and tap on the application of which you want to disable the notifications. Let's click on Brave browser. And as you can see, the show notifications toggle switch is currently turned on. Now if you want to disable the notifications, just turn off the toggle switch. And this will disable the notifications from the Brave browser. The same action you need to take for all those applications of which you need to disable the notifications. So that is how you can disable notifications on Android device. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.